Lucas Barr is renowned not just for his colossal success in the fishing industry, but also for the ultra-exclusive lifestyle he leads. Owning a fleet of luxurious yachts, Lucas sails the world's most picturesque waters, crafting innovative strategies to enhance marine sustainability. His mansion, nestled on a private island, is a hub of opulence, boasting an aquarium larger than most public exhibits and a collection of rare marine artifacts. Beyond his lavish possessions, he's celebrated for hosting elite gatherings where top marine biologists and environmentalists discuss ocean conservation. Lucas's uncanny ability to merge luxury with meaningful endeavors makes his lifestyle one of the most intriguing in the world of the affluent.